this season at 4 goals in these last 3 matches. The sooner plan to counter-attack at speed. Victor Muñoz. Very quick play. Wide it comes to Victor Muñoz. Trent Alexander-Arnold launches himself at him. And he's... Well, they've defended well for the opening 8 minutes. They are Ando to Galan, who is taller than the Real Madrid defenders around him. They take the low route to goal, though. On his welfare now. Into the game. From David Alaba, who's earned his call back to the team tonight. Coming in from the wing, Galan. Intense pressure from Osasuna. Budimir gets there, he's shaken off his man marker. Had more strength than David Alaba. Midfield here, Osasuna. Carvajal has lost his man. He's 2-on-2 on the centre. We've had it's 3-on-2. Advantage Osasuna. Steady shot.
He's been a great player, but tonight Carvajal is just get them playing the sort of football they were playing under Ancelotti.
It was a slow start to the season for Camavinga, but he's now started 7 of the last 8 in the team. That is brilliant play by Victor Muñoz. Well, he's the player they signed from Real Madrid. In fact, Real Madrid still own 50% of his rights. If well, Victor Muñoz is the player who's got the nickname amongst the supporters of Speedy Gonzalez. Happy was stationed. He was over here, outside the penalty area. Here he goes, the quick man. In the States in the summer, and the Club World Cup came on in 2 games against Al Hilal. And
been involved that much in the game, but he's done a good job in that central midfield.
Victor Muñoz. Muñoz seeking out, getting nowhere close to Camavinga. Into attack. Toro. Victor Muñoz. Put some power into the... Victor Muñoz. Toro. Victor Muñoz, great feet. Past Alaba. Asensio has the Mardi Gras. As they celebrate.
He's picked up all 3 points.